this one, okay?
Thank
Okay.
you.
So this is the first questions we'll be working on. Our data set is the office supplies. Okay, we'll be working on. So let's start with and another thing. See, measure names. So these are actually the rows. Okay, these are I think they are columns. Okay, not rows. Okay, so first I am dragging this region. We want to see based on okay. I'm just dragging the region over here. Okay, see that I just dragged. And let's see, let's drag units. See what we can see. This is the central, east, and west. So if you want to make it bigger, you can do that. So that we can make it bigger and see, show me. Can you see that? This is a show me button, click. See, okay, this is changed. See that? This is changed. This one, see, this is changed. This is higher, medium, and lower. Okay, so we can see this one. And on the central, we can show this one. Okay, see, this is another one. Let's insert a pie. Okay, see, this is the pie chart. Okay, this is the pie chart on central. So if you want to make it bigger, see that? It is becoming bigger. What I have done, I click on size. Size, bigger. Okay, this one.
Professor, I have a question. I'm clicking on show me, but nothing will, I can't click on any of the, can you repeat the step to get the options to,
Okay,
allow
let
me to
me,
select?
okay, let me just get out of everything. Okay, this is the clear one. Okay, got it?
Okay,
Okay, so what I'm doing, see, I am just dragging the region. Okay, so actually it is yeah. Okay, I'm here. So the region, and
right.
now
Okay.
okay, I'm dragging the units over here. Okay, you have this one.
Yep.
Okay, so now click on show me. You get this one now?
Got it. So you have to have more than one, you have to have multiple criteria.
Yes,
Okay,
you have to have multiple dimensions. Okay.
got it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, so this is the data we have passed initially. So if you want to see the performance of central, east, and west, initially you can insert this one. See, this is a bar chart. Okay, and now say you want to increase the size of this one. So click on size. Let me just get up with you. We want to make it bigger. So what we can do, say you will find, okay, something like this. Yes. So it is better now, correct? It is better. Okay. So this one, and again, click on show me. This is the vertical one. See, this is showing you this amount. You can see that this is the central one. Central is highest, then the east and west, or this is the tree chart. Okay, this is the central, east, west. Okay, this is the very simple analysis, first one, and we can also have different pie chart for every region. See, this is much better. I like this one. Just by, okay, on a first look, you can see, oh my gosh, Central is having the highest amount of unit cells. Okay, this is central. This is the east. This is the west. Okay, this is much better. Okay. Oh, let's see what else we can show. How about this one? Oh, this is not helping us. Okay, this one and this one. Okay. So I'm going to the base one. Okay. So this we have. Okay. Now I'm going to drag the rep on the column. Let's see. So the name of the representatives over here, see Alex, Bill, Stu, Thomas, we have all of them. Okay. And now I am dragging the region over here. Okay, fine. Great. And okay, region. Okay, let me see the region. Why not? So I want to take the representative over here. Okay, then units over here. See that. So our first question is which representatives will receive the bonus? Okay, this is the question. So from here you can see that Richard is selling 396 units. Okay, so you can also sort. See that I just clicked over here and it is sorted from highest to lowest. See that? Okay, from highest to lowest. And we want to see by region. Okay, see by region, this is the east. So Richard is from east. See that? Richard is from east side. So east. Okay. And this is the west. This is central. Actually, Richard is making the difference in east. Okay. Okay. So, but I want to know this is the number of unit cells. Okay. We want to know the total cells. So see that if we look at the data, let's see. Okay. See, if we look at the data, say items, order date, region, representatives, unit price, and units. Okay. So this is the unit price and units. How many units they have sold and what is the unit price? But we need to know what is the total sales, meaning units, number of units multiplied by unit price. Okay. So we want to create a new variable. Okay. A new field. To do that, this is the measure. See that? Just click over here, double click. I'm saying again, measure names. Below the measure names, you just click over here, double click, yeah, right click, create new field, calculated field. Okay, create the calculated field. So what do we want to create? We want to create total sales. Okay, we want to create total sales. Okay, and what would be total sales? And here is the formula. How do we do that? So what we want to do, units, see, units multiplied by unit price. Okay, okay, that's awesome. So I'm just clicking apply. Okay, so now see, when we created, are you with me? Are you creating? Are you working on this? See that Ray, you can see that there is an equal sign before this number sign. Okay, there is an equal sign. It means that we have created this field. Did you get it? Okay, so now I'm getting rid of this one out. What do we want to do? We want to add total sales instead of number of unit sales. So here you can see the different scenario. Let me just sort it. Okay, so what we can see now, Susan and Matthew. See, Matthew and Susan has the highest amount of total sales instead of Richard. Okay, so this is based on the total sales. Okay, this is based on the total sales, total amount of sales. Okay, and okay, total sales, that's fine. So now what we want to do, I want to get rid of this one. No, I don't need the rate. Okay, we don't need the reason. So now you can see easily who is selling more. Okay, see that. Those are the units. And okay, let's just add. Okay, let's make it. Okay, here you go. Oh. Okay, it is much better now. Now what we can do many things actually. So we want to make different colors for different sales representatives. So let me just drag it to the right a little bit and so pull it to the right. Okay, it is much better now. So okay, now say for example you want to add different colors for different representatives. The first one is we can change the color, full color. See, it is changing all the colors. Okay, if you want to add more colors, this is the custom one. So you can add, see, this is the red. Okay, so someone may be color blind, so you may need to change the colors. Okay, so these are the colors, but all of them are having the same color. See that? All of them are having the same colors. Okay, we will add the labels and some other things. Let me just go step by step. So now, what we can do, if we want to add different colors for different rep, please follow me. Press Control, then drag it onto the colors. Can you see that different colors for different representatives? What I have done. Interesting, Ray?
Yes.
Like it?
It's pretty
Okay.
easy.
Yeah, easy and interesting. Okay, so this one, and now there is another question. If you want to change the color color all of these, so go there, edit color. Okay, so edit. See, there is a drop down menu over here. Click over here. See, change. So let me see. If you want to change the color over here, say, okay, summer color. See, so you will find different colors for different. And now I want to add regions over here. Okay, region. Okay, yes. Okay, now you can see this one. The answer is by region. And okay, here you go. So from here, Matthew from Central, Alex from Central, from East, Susan and Richard, and from West, James. Okay, they are going to receive the bonus. Okay, now we want to add more things. See that different colors have been assigned to different representatives. Okay. So what we can do, click over here, format. See that what I have done. Okay, I'm going from the beginning again. Click over here, format. Okay. Now alignment, automatic. Okay, let me see. So numbers, no shading, no. Okay. So before going there, let's add the what on the label. We want to add the label. What label we want to do? We want to add, say we want to add the total sales on the top of every bar. Okay. So control, then total sales, click over here. Have you seen that? So you can see the total sales now. It's much better than the previous one. Okay. Okay. And is there anything else over here? Okay. There are something. See, there is something over here. We want to add this one as sales. Okay. So if you click on the dot dot dot, you will find this one. So I want to add sales. Okay. So what we can do now, just write sales, then colon. Okay. See that? This is sales. Okay. Richard, yeah. Ray, can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. So sometimes please give me some feedbacks so that I am not alone over here. Okay. Now let's work on formatting. Okay, now here you go, formats. Okay. So the first one, alignment. What are you going to do? See that if we click over here, click, what is it showing? The number is showing the vertically. Click over here, vertically, but different orders. Okay, which one do you like? I like this one. Okay, use this one. That's fine. And now the numbers. Work on the numbers. So click on the first one. No, second one. I want to customize. So I don't need any decimal places. Say this one. And negative values automatic. If there is any negative, it will show. And display units. Say I want to use thousands instead of full number. So it is much better now. So when we are using the thousands, so we need to use minimum 2 decimal places. So it is much better now. Okay. That one is better. Then see that this is the different as alignment. Okay. So it is working on the total. Okay. It is working on the total. Then numbers, if we want to show the standard customs. So, okay, let me just add something currency. So I want to customize currency. So it is now showing you that though these are the dollar amounts, okay? And again, it is showing me the full format, but we want thousands. Okay, now. So we have these values, the sales, dollar amount, 3.11 thousand. Okay, all of them are having. So, but this is one is beating. I'm missing. I think this one is due to, yes, due to the space. It had minimum space. So I'm adding this one. Okay. So now this is the table we have, the bar chart we have now. So our next one is we want to import this one. So to do that, right click over here, right click, copy image. Okay. See that title, view, color legend. we have, yeah, I want to import the color legend because we want to see them. And caption, we did not use any caption, so I'm just copying this one. And what do we want to do? We want to copy over here. Okay, this is our bar chart. Okay, see that we have copied the work that we have already done. Okay, so this is much a nicer way. So, but see that this is saying me sheet 1. Okay, let's see what we can do to do that. So now,
Professor,
right
can I ask
click.
a first question, please?
Yes, please.
When you do the copy, is it actually making it as an image file, or does it keep the connections back to the data?
No, it will create the image file.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now let's see. This is the sheet 1. I'm renaming Ray. Please follow me. Say sheet 1. Yeah, just right click over here, then rename. So if I rename employee bonus, let's see. See that the name over here has changed. So now again, do the same thing again. Copy, image, okay, copy. Let's see whether we have now. See that this one is better because it is showing us the name of this nice bar diagrams. Okay, see, this is the employee bonus data. Okay, employee bonus who will be awarded, who will be rewarded the bonus. See, here are the colors for all the employees, and we can see the bar chart and sorting from largest to smallest. So it is much useful. Correct?
Professor, I'm following along as you're doing it, but I missed the part where you showed how to create the key on the right-hand side with the rep names.
Key means the sales. This one.
No, on the right-hand side, the legend that
Oh, the legend.
that lists all, yeah.
It should be automatic. It should be automatic. See that? It should be.
Yeah, I'm sorry. The show me window was
Okay.
covering it up. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, so we are done with this one. Now, what I want to do now, so let's go to the we are just getting rid of this. Close this one. Okay, so total sales by region, representatives. Okay, let's get rid of this one. Okay, so this is by region. Okay, this is by region. So if we see that this is the one we have by region, so we want to see the regional data. So which one do you like? So this one or this one or this one? This one is much better. This one is, I think, best one. So what you can do, copy image. Okay, copy. So now I'm copying. So this one is by region. Okay, so after clicking, what you can do, you can make it smaller. But see that this one is highlighted, but they are not. So to do that, what we can do, just click over here. No? Oh, yes, click over here. Then copy image. Copy. Let's see what happens. See, this one is much better. All of the bubbles have bright colors. Okay, so I'm just deleting this one. This one is better than the earlier one. See that? So this is by region. Okay, now see, this one is also giving us some information. See, this one is higher, meaning this square is larger than this one, and this one is square. This one is larger than this one. See that? So can you change the size? No, in that case, actually, it is not visible. Okay. So if we want to increase, let me see whether we can. So this one is much better. So you may also like to copy this one. And this is region, correct? So what I can do, so let's see whether we can. See, this is giving me different colors by region. So I want to copy this one as well. Okay, let me see. So but it is selecting the one. No. How can I do that? Okay, let me see. Oh, I cannot. No. But you can like this one so that we can have an idea about the sales by region. Okay, this will give us an idea of sales by region. Like that. See that this one is showing us a lot of things. Total sales, region, this one central, okay, east, west. So this is really a very good visualization of the data. So by region, okay, 3 variables we have. Okay, and now let's take the representatives and total sales and over here. Okay, so this one we have right now. So this one over here, region, go over there, then play representatives. Okay, size. Okay, so we can do a lot of things over here. Okay, that's fine. So far, what we have done, okay, we have analyzed by let me start from the scratch. This one, I'm just getting rid of everything. Okay, so first T card is over there. Okay, fine. Then cells. Okay, so if we want to sort this one, see, this one is the sorting from highest to lowest. Okay, this is, we can have a look at it, the data. So we can see that Apple has the highest amount of sales. Okay, and if we insert a bar chart, so this is the bar chart, and again sort again this one. Okay, this is much better. And we can also give different colors for different companies. In that case, so control T card here. Okay, see that this is much better. And we can also copy this one. So copy image, copy. Let's see. This is a long one. Okay, so if you think that we don't need some of them, I want to cut over here. So we can do that in here in the Tableau. Or we can sort. Okay, what I can do, say I want to copy image, copy. So I can take a painter. So paint, let me see whether I can do this. This is a paint. Okay, I copied this one over here. So now you can customize. Okay, you want, say, up to this one. Okay, crop. Copy. Okay, I'm copying this one over here. Okay, this is much better graph we have. Or before analyzing the data in the Excel, we can sort and delete the data that has very lower amount of cells, total cells. So this is how we do it. Do the analysis of this one. Okay, and okay. And if we want to see the by year, so we are getting rid of the ticker. So let's see how it works for by year. So this is the by year. Wow. This is not better. This is the column. This is the row. Okay. And hide card. Show me. This is okay. Where is that ticker? Okay. So this is the tree diagram, and it is also showing us by year sales. Okay. And how? But here the bar chart is not showing. We can have this one. This one is much better. So let's see year, different colors. Okay, see that. So different years with different colors. Okay, with colors. This is showing only, no. We want this. See this one. This is the sales data, and let's add the label. Cells. Okay. And we can see, okay, see this is the sales, okay? See that this is the sales amount and some sales. Let's format this one. Custom, automatic. I want to see the in thousands. Okay, then currency in dollar. Okay, so this one is much better. Okay, okay, let's see again in thousand, right? Okay, so this is in thousand. Okay, and we can also see the format. Okay, so total grand total special values, no. Okay, here is the font. We can use larger font, black. If we use this, okay. That's how it works. Okay. Square, no. Circle, okay, it's fine. So this one is good. So copy image. Copy this. This is by here. This is showing us by. Okay. So this is the data we have by assets. Okay, so now let's work on the long-term unemployment data. Okay. Now file, open the long-term unemployment data. Okay, this is the data we have. So let's see the data. So this is the data we have. So here is the age group, different age, gender. So we have male and female, and this is the period, unemployment data period, and this is the number of unemployed men. So if we sort, see, we have men, we have women, okay, and this is the number of unemployment data. Okay, so let's do some time series analysis based on this one, and I'm just clicking over here. See, this is the sheet 2, and we'll be doing some analysis over there. So first one is double click on unemployed. Okay, it is over there, and double click by period. See that this is the by year unemployment data. Can you see that? So if we want to add some dots over here, say path, this is showing us path. Okay, this is a different way to see. And how about the detail? Oh no. So there are different. So you can click over here and see the data, right? And this is yearly data. So, okay. Now we want to see, say, by month, okay? So I click on month. So this is the by month. What it is doing, it is adding the data by month. And if you double click over here, you can see the formula. See, month period, okay, by month period. You can see the formula over here, what it has done, okay. And then we can see by quarter. See, this is the by quarter until 2015, okay, from the second quarter of 2005 to 2015. So we can see different this one. So what I want to see, so if you just control and scroll up and down, it's becoming bigger and lower. See that? Bigger and smaller. Okay, and this is the size. So size means it will increase the size of the line. It will be becoming thicker on. See, this is how it works. Number one, and you can give it a different color. If you would like to assign a different color to the graphs, so this is the different colors we have. And let's see, we can also see by day. See that? This is the by day analysis, okay. And let's see, do we have anything? By week numbers. So different analysis you can see. Yeah, okay, this is 15, this is actually 15, and now if we want to say daily data, so no, it is not giving us anything. This is by day. Okay, this is by year. This one is by year. So it is giving us, this is the by month. We already know that. And this is by quarter. Okay, how about this? By month, okay. By year, this one, okay. So if we want to see this one by gender, let's insert okay, gender over here. This is by gender. And if we insert, okay, this is by gender, we can see different colors by gender, okay. And let's see, no, this one is, okay. So this is much better line. So we can see that this one is women and this one is for men, okay. So the unemployment rate for women is much lower than the men. See, the line is always under the other line, in the main line for men. This one, okay. And so we can add the granularity of the data. Say, how much is the total picture? We want to see the details. So if you want to see the details, so click on analyze. See that? What we have done, click on analyze, aggregate measure, it is always mark checked, okay. So uncheck this one, See that? This one. But I want to see a different pictures is how about the circle? So this is how it is showing us and shape. So this is the different shapes area. This is different areas. Okay. If we change the change it by quarter, say quarter. No, it is different. Here, this one is by here, but okay, so it should give us some more interesting things. Line. Okay. Analyze. So this is the aggregate one. I'm sure I'm missing something. Quarter. Okay. Only 4 quarters. This is showing only 4 quarters. 4 quarters of 2015. So let's see in 2015 by gender. 2015 by gender. This one. And if we do also this one. This one is the circle, but this is not good enough to see square shape. This is different shapes, see, and you can create a lot of fancy one, okay, fancy graphs. So here's no. You can sort, you can format. This is for 2015, okay. This one is for 2015. So this one we have, and this is the line we have, okay. Chart. See that this is the bar chart we have actually. This is the women, and this one is the men. Okay, and you can see that this one is men and this one is women, and we can customize the color. Let's see how we can customize the colors. Okay. This one, okay. So we can do these different kinds of analysis by this one. So what I will do, I will upload some homeworks for you for next week so that you can try something. There are many other things over here. So they say that you can change the presentation of the graph whether it is horizontal or vertical. See that by clicking over here. So this one. This one is different line. I think out of many, this one is much better. Correct. This way is better. So if I want to copy the image, copy. Okay, so this is by period. So this is just an introduction with the Tableau. So you now know how to open file in Tableau and do some works analysis. Okay.